I'm gonna make some old-fashioned looking wooden crates for storage. So I got 4 different lengths of wood. You can use any type of wood. I use recycled pallet. So got 4 of them at 10 inches, 4 of them 12, 4 of them 16 and 3/4, and 4 of them 15. And this is my assembling jig. To assemble them, I'm going to use pneumatic pinner. So, got them. That is one side. And we're going to make another side. Once both sides are done, I'm going to assemble side rails. Crate is almost done. We've got handle side, rail side, and now we're going to do the bottom or base. There we go. It's one crate done. And then to achieve some oldie-worldie look, you can have some stencils, any spray paint, do something like that, or something like this. Leave it to dry a little bit, and then to get a bit distressed look. There you go. And that's how to make old-fashioned, oldie-worldie wooden crate boxes. Thank you for watching and thumbs up. Cheers.